For 70 plus years, High Steel has been a family-owned company.
High's humble beginnings turned into a vibrant, well-oiled machine responsible for some of the amazing bridges around our area. Since its beginning in 1931, High Steel has been a motivated, hard-working, and a community-based company with 2 locations in Pennsylvania, Lancaster and Williamsport. In 2018, High Steel University was founded. High Steel University is their on-site training program to perfect employee skills in welding, fabrication, and more to build bridges.
We bring, first of all, a strong focus on quality. We want to do things right the first time. That's one of our mottos. And why is because our end product, this steel bridge, can't fail.
High Steel has created many different types of bridges, from the most common I-beams and girders to many other types. I-beams and girders are used for most of the bridges because of the structural integrity. They use metal and steel to create sturdy, trustworthy bridges. High Steel has created more than 200 bridges each year.
Some of the jobs we've had have gone for a year or so. It feels good to know that the job is done and you get to move on.
Believe it or not, I was told prior to starting welding that I wouldn't be able to keep up and I wouldn't be able to do the same things that the guys can do, but being able to come out here and prove that you can as a female is the biggest accomplishment.
As High Steel puts it, I-beams and girders are the bread and butter of their business. High Steel creates high-quality bridges that have been installed all over the U.S. With the founding of High Steel University, many educated personnel have been incorporated into the workforce.